Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. All right, let's begin. First, open the Uber Eats app and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now, add any item to your cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see payment options. At the top, Uber Cash will be listed. If you have a balance, select Uber Cash as your payment method. Then, tap Next to confirm your selection. If your Uber Cash balance covers the full amount, the payment will be completed using only Uber Cash. If the balance is not enough, the remaining amount will be charged to your selected backup payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Once everything is set, review your order and tap Place Order to complete the transaction. Your Uber Cash will be deducted automatically. So that's basically how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.